Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to review Distrokid. Right, so let's start by knowing what is Distrokid. Right, so Distrokid is actually a music distribution platform, just like TuneCore, United Masters, 1RPM, etc. It helps you distribute your music on all music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Audiomack, etc. Right, and also it helps you distribute your music video. Right, so let's see some features that Distrokid has. All right, so this is my Distrokid dashboard. Okay, but before we dive into seeing the feature Distrokid has, let's talk about how we can get started with Distrokid. So if you want to get started with Distrokid, the first thing you have to do is to sign up for an account. All right, so you have to sign up for an account, and then secondly you have to subscribe for a Distrokid membership plan. All right, so once you subscribe for a Distrokid membership plan, then you can be able to have an account officially on Distrokid. So I've gone through all those process. So what I'm just going to show you now is the feature that Distrokid has. Okay, so Distrokid has features like the upload feature, which allows you to upload your music. Like I said earlier, it's a music distribution platform, so there must be an upload feature. So this is an upload feature up here. So if you click on the drop down icon, you get the option to upload either a music or a music video. All right, okay, so after that, the next feature here is my music. So this is where you can actually see all the music you've uploaded using Distrokid. Okay, so if you click here, you can be able to see all the music you've uploaded using Distrokid. So this other one is the stats. So here you're going to get insights about your music performance on all music streaming platforms. Okay, like your streams, downloads, revenue, etc. Right, so this one is called splits. So this one helps you split the royalties between you and the artist who you're featuring on the song, or the songwriters, or people who are included in your song, like songwriters, producers, etc. Okay, so this other one is upgrade. So if you want to upgrade from the plan you are, or the membership subscription you are, to another one, then you can make use of this feature right here. So this one is bank. So this is actually where you can actually link your bank account on Distrokid. Okay, all right, so so here you can get see your account. So if you click on the drop down icon, you can see your account information, like your email address, password, social logins information. Here you can see your personal profile information, like your social links that you added. All right, so this is your payout method. So you have to choose a payout method on Distrokid. So this is where you can actually add a payout method, and as you can see just below the payout method, you can see the available payout methods on Distrokid with these other ones right here. Okay, so that's it. Now this is just a brief review of Distrokid. So if you want to learn how to use Distrokid, if you want to learn how to upload your song, how to split loyalties, how to add a payout method, etc., you can just click the videos at the end screen of this one and watch how you can actually go about that. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.